So I am temporarily being hacked, of course, because this is what they do. Yeah, this really sucks, because I can't do shit. Whoa! Someone might telling me, oh my goodness, dear Jesus. Oh man. Oh dearie. Yeah. So this is what's happening. I'm being hacked right now, so I'm just hoping I don't get demoted. Whoa. Hey. I hate you. Alright. Here, dude, let me, let's, can we leave? Oh, shit. Yeah, dude, it really sucks. Oh my god, dude, they're doing it again. Oh my god. Dude. Holistic vest. Fuck the world. Oh my god, I hate this. It keeps happening on and on and on and on, dude. What the heck? Oh. Oh, whoa, what? Oh my god. Wow, what a dick. Dude, this is ridiculous. I cannot believe this shit. Dude. Dude, I'm recording this on YouTube, so what now? Dude, oh my god. Dude, let's just leave. Let's just leave. Let's just leave. I don't have any grenades. Dude, I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave, alright? Alright. Dude, that was ridiculous.